Tomatoes are the best for fighting cancer. Cancer cells have overgrowth, you understand, exponential growth of cancer cells. What you can do is you have tomatoes every day. Kind of 79,000 people have been maybe for 3 years under the research, and in that sense it said that those who had tomatoes, cooked tomatoes, they beat cancer. There's lycopene in a tomato, and if you cook and eat in your salad, in your curries, you can get rid of cancer. Another good food is cruciferous vegetables, and one of the cruciferous vegetables is cabbage. Is you see, if you have cabbage, if you have cauliflower, you have a lot of elements that can fight your cancer. So cancer operation is not a big deal. It doesn't much matter. It's a kind of normal operation. So any operation and a cancer operation, the same. There's no difference. The only problem is when you have cancer, when you have metastasis, it means cancer has spread, right? Then there is problem. Chemotherapy is given, radiotherapy is given. But if you have tomato, if you have cruciferous vegetables, you have some other foods properly taken, then you can beat. You don't need to have chemotherapy, you don't need to have radiotherapy. So cancer operation is not a problem. It's like other operation. But the thing is that you have to have radiotherapy, you have to have chemotherapy. That's very, very bad for your health. You can lose your teeth, you can lose your hair, you may have constipation, lot of other problems there. So if it is cancer, then you have it operated, and then you follow lifestyle. You have tomato cooked, and you have cruciferous vegetable. There are other foods as well. And avastin is the best medicine for beating cancer. As you need to have some medicines, okay, go on. But if you have chemotherapy, if you have radiotherapy, then the problem is severe. So after the cancer operation, nothing so serious. But as you have chemotherapy, as you have radiotherapy, that's the problem. So you live a very good life. You have scenery, you have move around, you have fresh air, you walk a lot, you enjoy. When you're talking, you should also watch. When you're talking, you should also talk over a phone. So whenever you have received a phone call, or whenever you are going to call someone, what you do is walk and talk. When you're watching a video, suppose this video you're watching, so you go on watching this video at the same time you go on walking. This is how we can beat diseases. There are so many ways. I have a lot of videos. You can also follow other videos as well. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.